With over 1.2 million kilometers of telecommunication cables, more than 282 offshore wind farms, and 250 oil rigs currently operating in the world's oceans, the demand for precise and repeatable mapping and monitoring of subsea pipes, cables, and UXOs continues to grow. Buried critical infrastructure beneath the seabed is expanding, making accurate detection essential. For over 30 years, the Teledyne Marine HydroPACT range has been the industry's preferred technology partner for detecting, tracking, and accurately surveying the precise location of buried subsea pipes, cables, and UXOs across the world's seabeds, down to a maximum depth of 6,000 meters. Our commitment to innovation and excellence has set industry standards and earned the trust of marine professionals worldwide. Utilizing advanced electromagnetic technology, the HydroPACT 440 system detects buried ferrous and non-ferrous metal objects, such as pipes, cables, and UXOs, to a maximum burial depth of over 4 meters. Combined with our tonal system, the HydroPACT 350, which detects, tracks and maps buried cables with an operating range of over 10 meters, we offer the HydroPACT dual-track system. All of this is managed via our user-friendly Deep View operating software, enabling you to switch seamlessly between the different systems during deep water operations, saving time, effort and money. The HydroPACT range. Solid, accurate and reliable survey results every time.
Teledyne Marine. Everywhere you look.